With travel restrictions slowly easing due to the coronavirus pandemic, the GoBros and I found ourselves setting our eyes on the beautiful deserts and canyons of Utah. And what better way to celebrate our nation's Independence Day than to enjoy the great Western outdoors? Over the next 4 days, the GoBros embarked on a journey that would include canyon hikes through Zion and Bryce National Parks. There's even some sandboarding in this one. Prepare to become one of the Trailhawks.
We came to fight. We came to take what was meant to be ours. There's no place to hide. Yeah, it's written all over the stars. Fight. Yeah, we came to fight. Fight.
Oh boys, we made it.
Made it.
Ready to gamble?
The border of Arizona is right over the fence. Do you approve, Ivan?
I do.
Sweet digs.
Didn't expect it to be real either.
Bro, can I just say that the best part about this Airbnb is the backyard?
Yes. I mean, the inside's not bad either.
Alright, what kind of pass you got? Alright, this year, alright, good. Would you like a map?
Yes, please.
Alright, I'll get to go.
Just by them.
It's hot. for some mean scrapes there. What a trooper. What a warrior. Magic Mike, everyone. Next stop, we got a sunset to catch.
I've talked with the devil, brought him down to his knees. Let me tell you about me. I write your favorite song. I've sung with angels. I've spoken tongues. Now that you're gone, stuck here stuttering on. I said hello, let me tell you about me. I am the one that drives you in as I speak. Come closer, wipe the tears from your cheek. Sit down, come round, 'cause when the sound is gone, the memory of me will keep you stuttering on. But I've talked with the devil, I brought him down to his knees. Let me tell you about me, about your favorite song. I've sung with angels, I've spoken tongues. Now that you're gone,
Mission accomplished. We made it to the top here to catch the sunset.
hello, let me tell you about me. I am the one that draws you in as I speak. Come closer, wipe the tears from your cheek. Come closer.